I'm trying to learn Boys Don't Cry by Wild Wave right now. This is day one. I can barely even use my fingertips on these damn chords or strings. We're gonna learn this shit. Alright. Fat ass fingers, bro. I'm trying, man. No. There we go. Wait, no. There we go. Then we go. Then we go back. Dude, that's the farthest I've got. So we go. Dude, this shit hurts so bad. Like, y'all don't understand. Look at my finger.